Hey, I'm Alex with Lazy Hiker Brewing Company. We opened in May of 2015. We're located at 188 West Main Street in downtown Franklin, North Carolina. So our business is basically run completely off water. Beer is anywhere from 90 to 95% water.
Everything we do involves water, from cleaning tanks to sanitizing our tanks to actually mashing in and being able to create wort and create what ultimately becomes beer.
If we didn't have access to clean water, we would really not be in existence.
We're using water in every process that we do, and pure water is absolutely crucial to that. Anywhere from 8 to 10 gallons of water goes into making 1 gallon of beer, whether you're using it for cleaning, sanitizing, actually producing the beer itself, whatever that may be. But within that, we're always looking for ways to continue to conserve water.